No BS or fluff, that's the motto of this channel. These are the reasons that you can legally 100% genuinely not use the eBay simple delivery shipping label that they forced upon you as a private seller in the UK. If it's any of these reasons, you can get a refund back from your purchase of that label if you are the seller and you have offered free postage, and you do not have to use the simple delivery label provided by eBay. You've got to obtain a refund. There's another video that I've done and I'll give you the link shortly afterwards, but these are the genuine reasons, and some of these reasons you will see they apply to you, and before you thought you'd lost your money, now you haven't. So these are three that I've picked out. The rest are pretty generic, but the first one is I wanted to add additional protection to my delivery. And that is in response, I researched this in response to a comment that a user had that their price was £199 for an item. It was below the £750 threshold. They needed to pay extra. It was only a £50 protection fee on the label that eBay provided them with. So they've gone for their own carrier and paid the extra. Before, they thought they'd lost the money. Now they can claim the refund. The next one is I wanted to use a different carrier other than the one selected by eBay. And again, other people have said they use a totally different carrier. They use a bulky carrier. They use someone that collects from their own home. They've got a local courier. This allows you to use your local courier. You book it, put the tracking number in, and then you come back to the refund form and you select that as your reason as why you want your money back. And this is one that a lot of people, if you don't know this, it will enable you to get that parcel picked up by Hermes Royal Mail for that set price, collected from your home, and you can go back to eBay and say, okay, it might even be the same postal courier. It might be Royal Mail tracked 48, but mine includes somebody picking it up from my house, or my every includes somebody picking it up from my house. That's my choice. I want that. I do not want to drive down to the post office or the drop-off point. So again, buy that label, put the tracking number in from that label, and you will get your money back from eBay by processing this refund form. So the previous page and the options that you fill out in the refund form were your choice. Yes, your choice is back with you. It is a freedom of choice for you to select any of those options and say, I want my money back. I do not want to use your simple delivery label. The lower section of the form includes you the option to select the refund if you have encountered problems because you wanted to use the simple delivery form, but you were unable to. This is the carrier rejected the parcel. You couldn't figure out how to reprint the label. I could not find the pre-print label or QR code. I thought the label had expired. The buyer's address was incorrect. My address was incorrect. The weight and dimensions were incorrect. If that's the one on eBay selected that, though, you can actually just send it and eBay will cover the cost. I've done another video on that. All these links for the other videos, you can go and choose and watch them if you want. I just don't want to pad this out with as much BS because people don't like that. The printable label did not load. Couldn't use the QR code. The label was the wrong size. And then there's the other option, or none of the above. Process that, eBay, boom, you will get your money back for the simple delivery label, so long as you are the seller, you have offered free postage, and you do it within 14 days of the item being sold. You can get your money back and eBay will process that. As discussed earlier on, this is the video over there that I did, or over there that I did, with regards to how you can go through the entire process. You can that one will be a link after this video. You can click on it if you want to, and down below here, or down below here, is the URL to get the refund back from eBay if you want to go and select it. Thank you very much. If you would like to subscribe, hit the like button and share and keep watching, that'd be much appreciated. Thanks again. Cheerio.